270 meters below sea level, these men are digging for gold. 8 million ounces of it are thought to be hidden in these rocks, worth more than $10 billion, which would make Greece Europe's biggest gold producer. And there are billions more in silver, copper, lead and zinc. But these riches aren't yet within reach.
The government hasn't consistently worked through the permits as required under our contract and under regulations here in Greece, and we've suffered. Our share price is significantly down compared to our peers, and the predominant issue is our investments in Greece have not proceeded as planned.
Eldorado's shares have fallen by more than half this year. This mill should already be crushing rock. Instead, it's waiting for permission to build walls and a roof to house the machinery. And now the SYRIZA government has taken the company to court because it's only completed 2/3 of its $1.5 billion investment. It's the sort of behavior that is putting off other potential investments in Greece and losing SYRIZA votes down here.
I'd like the government to come here and see what we do, what we produce, and see with their own eyes what we can achieve for the national economy. If they do away with my salary today, tomorrow there won't be any income for the very people in government.
This is the growth Greece is looking for. Salaries here average about $1,500, and at 2,400 workers, that amounts to a monthly payroll of about $3.5 million. That kind of money creates an entire economy up on the surface. But SYRIZA says it's not the only economy.
These people will work for 20 or 30 years. This isn't a sustainable form of development for the area. The ore will eventually run out. What will remain for the future generations?
This entire valley will become an open-cast mine pit, half a kilometer deep. Once that happens, says INGLEZI, farming and tourism won't stand a chance. But mining is the biggest driver of the local economy, and at full swing, this operation would give the government $500 million a year in taxes for a quarter century, and double the size of the mining industry to 7% of GDP. SYRIZA wants those taxes, but it wants the votes too. In the last election, the environmental vote defeated the mining vote. Next time around, the tables could turn. Psaropoulos, Al Jazeera, in the Kassandra mines of northern Greece.